Deep in Chitwan National Park lies this beautiful lake called Batuli Pokhari, a lake created actually for irrigation purpose. When water rose, many sal trees died, leaving a bare trunk standing in the lake. These leafless trees become the perfect nesting spot for Asian Openbill, along with cormorants, anhingas, and other birds. Over 450 nests can be seen here during the breeding season. Along the lake, wildlife, we have really good numbers like rhinos, tigers, deer, monkeys, and even marsh crocodile. They find a perfect home here. Batuli Pokhari is a hidden gem where nature adapts, survives, and flourishes. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more wild videos.